Hey guys, today let's learn how to go ahead and basically add a thumbnail on your YouTube Shorts. So if you want to go ahead and do this, please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the YouTube application and then post a new YouTube Short. Now I'm going to go ahead and tap on this plus icon and then tap on my preferred YouTube video that I'd like to go ahead and post on here. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one right here. Now tap on next again, provide your description and stuff like that. But when you tap on this pencil icon right here, you can actually go ahead and choose a specific part of the video to choose as your thumbnail. So if you have edited your video and added a small part of there to use as your thumbnail, you can actually go ahead and choose a specific part of that video to be chosen as your thumbnail just by dragging and dropping onto that section, tapping on done, and now it's your thumbnail. Now just tap on upload once you're done, and it's that easy to go ahead and upload a thumbnail and add a thumbnail to your own YouTube Shorts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.